Hey everyone, on today's how-to video we're going to show you how to put an engine air cleaner into a 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Someone got a hold of us and asked if we could do a video and show them how it's done, so we're going to do that. This is the filter. It cost us like $15 on Amazon. We'll have a link in the description box down below. And it came with a bonus that I was not expecting. It also came with a cabin air filter. So the eye that just popped up will show you how to put this in, because we've already done a video on it. No sense making this any longer because I'm hoping this is going to be real short. So here we go. This is the air filter. It's very easy to change out. They do recommend doing it every 10,000 miles. So you come over here. This would be the housing where it goes. Pop this open. Told you it's real easy. Pop this down. Pop that down. And just pull. It comes right out. Now you might be looking at that going, wow, it doesn't look all that dirty. Well, does it?
Oops, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
There you go.
All right. So to put it back in, exact same way. Slide it right in. Push this all the way up till it clicks. Same with this side. Done. All right, we wanted to keep this short, so there you go. It's already done. And if you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up. As always, want to follow along with everything we do here on the WeRmudfun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell and you'll be notified every time we put a new video out.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back. We always do. Until our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
See ya.
Bye.